Let's make this animated slides today. First, insert a text box. Write your text. Then fill it with white color. Change font style and font size. Then take a freeform style and draw a zigzag shape in between the text. Then duplicate the slides. And on second slide, first select the text and then shape. Then go to shape format and intersect it. Now on first page, select text and then shape, and then subtract it. Now cut the text from second slide and paste it on first slide. Go to shape format and change the color of one shape. And then to give the crack look, shift it down a little bit. And here you go. Follow our channel for more videos.